Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the EWG Healthy Living app is and how it's positioned. EWG Healthy Living is a mobile scanning and product rating tool developed by the Environmental Working Group that aims to help users find science-backed scores for food, cosmetics, and cleaning products. The app lets users scan barcodes or search by name to see a simple 1 to 10 score that reflects the Environmental Working Group's assessment of potential health and ingredient concerns. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. This app may be useful for people who want quick access to EWG's ingredient and product ratings while shopping. For users interested in comparing products side by side or setting ingredient preferences, this could be an option if those features are available through in-app purchases. EWG Healthy Living may combine multiple EWG databases such as Skin Deep, food scores, and guides to healthy cleaning and sunscreens to give users broader insight into products. The app may offer premium tools like product comparisons and ingredient filters for users who choose to subscribe. Some features described in the app descriptions, like the science-backed scores and category coverage, are based on the developer's official materials. This app may be an option for people seeking a centralized way to evaluate personal care, food, and cleaning products through EWG's aggregated data. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.